Introducing Top Protect and Paint Cover from CCL Design. With this innovation, your label is applied directly to your product before the coating process for unrivaled durability. This solution is constructed from a base label, a transparent laminated covering label, and a paint mask layer, which consists of lamination and a final mask on top. We have pioneered an easy grab covering, which shields your label during the coating process. You can then peel the film off to reveal the finished product. From industrial to automotive and beyond, CCL Design provides a long-lasting, cost-effective alternative to metal plates. Our multi-layered approach provides outstanding resistance against mechanical and chemical influences, ensuring your labels are permanently secured on any surface texture. You can apply Top Protect manually within your existing infrastructure. Or we can produce your labels on an industrial scale with our automated process, Paint Cover. With world-renowned expertise in material science, chemistry, and temperature differential, we develop custom labeling solutions with lifelong resilience and clarity. Where resistance and longevity is critical, Top Protect and Paint Cover labels last a lifetime. CCL Design.